Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome once again to AO4 channel. This video session, we're going to be looking at how to crack hashed password. So in this video, it's all about ethical hacking and nothing more. We want to equip you, viewer, with the information on the importance of using strong password anywhere you want to input your password. Please always use very strong combinations of alphanumeric characters, not all those ABCD 1 2 3 4 or admin 1 2 3 4, user 1 2 3 4, all those common passwords that people normally use. It's very easy to crack those passwords, as we can see in this, as we're going to see in this session. We'll see how easy it is to crack all those very common passwords with just a simple tool on Kali. So, as earlier mentioned, this is all about ethical hacking, nothing malicious. So every information you're going to learn, or the knowledge you're going to learn in this video, is not to be used maliciously. It is to guide you, to inform you, and to educate you so that you will know the importance of having a strong password instead of just simple combinations of letters and numbers. So now what we're going to do, let's assume a user, you have to enter your or choose a password, and then you choose something like user 1 2 3 4, which is common. User 1 2 3 4, something like that. Now, whenever you enter such password, the database is going to store it in a format that is not plain text. Normally, that's the way it should be. The database, your application, the application online is supposed to convert that plain text password into something gibberish, something, not legible, something combination of numbers and letters. So let's take, for instance, there's a tool, online tool we're going to use to convert a simple plain text password into, we're going to hash it. Say hashing, launch your browser, and from there, go to CyberChef, search for CyberChef, and then select this. It will take you to this wonderful tool. Now here you can see, scroll down to hashing, and let's say we are working on MD5. Now MD5 is message digest 5. It's a widely used hash function. It has been used in a variety of security applications and is also commonly used to check the integrity of files. Now, let's double click on that. Now, what we're going to do here, let's clear this. whatever you enter input here is going to be hashed. So if you put input 1, this is the hash version, the hashed version of 1. If you put input 12, so if you input 12, you can see it has changed. If you input 1, 2, 3, you can see it has changed. If you even include add space, you can see it has changed. If you backspace, it has changed. So it's actually, let's say the user password looks like something like this. User 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the hashed version of MD5 hashed version of user 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's assume that you enter a password like this, you know, on a website, and then the website application stored your user 1, 2, 3, this plain text, converted it to that's the hashed version and stored it in the database as this. Let us now assume that someone, a cyber criminal, gain access into that database, and then your password looks like this in the database. Now, it's very easy for, the cyber criminal to try and see if this password could be hashed. And that's what we're going to demonstrate. Now let's copy this hashed version, copy. Now, don't forget, we are assuming that we don't know user 1, 2, 3, 4. All what we know is this hashed version of your password. And now we want to crack it. We want to crack this and derive your actual plain text password. Now, launch your Kali. So in Kali Linux, let's clear this. Now we're going to save that hash password in a file. You can use mousepad. Let's call it hashed.txt. So hash.txt, then let's paste. Now this is it. The password that we copied from Cyberchef, this, we are saving it in a file called hashed.txt, and then let's save it and close this file and save. Okay, let's confirm that the file is there. Okay, this is it, hashed.txt. Let's cut hash.txt, and that is it. So this is your hashed password, and that's what we want to crack now. And now, normally this is the way this password is going to be stored in a database. Don't forget. And normally this should be good because nobody is expected to memorize something like this. But then we are going to crack it and find out the plain text version of this hashed password. Now there's a tool on Kali Linux. Kali Linux is Linux distro that's, has a lot of tools for cyber security, for ethical hacking, and all that. And there's this tool called Hashcards that we're going to use, and you can check. Let's see, help. The command line for Hashcards. You can see all these are what Hashcards can do. You can go through it and see. Can use it, a word list on it. You can use it for brute forcing, combination of different password, association, and and you can see the command syntax for each of them. So what we're going to do now, we're going to say Hashcards -m. 0 means we are dealing with MD5. That's 0. MD5 is 0. Let's go up and see if we can confirm that. Oh, actually it's up. So just know that when that MD5 is number 0 when you indicate MD5. As you can see here, MD5, that's the mode is 0. So -m0. Then next is the file we want to, where we store our hashed password. That's the hash.txt. Then next is the directory where we have what we call the database of, or collection or list of different passwords that this tool is going to use to crack whatever is in this file. Now that file is located in this file called rockyou.txt. But first off, let's look at what we have inside this file called rockyou.txt. Let's look at it. Let's user share word list rockyou.txt. Now look at it. This is millions of different combinations of passwords, millions. So don't be surprised that password you think you have chosen and is secured might be found in this list. And then if it is in this list, sorry, it's easy. Just in a matter of less than a second, that your password will be cracked. Now, if you are not, let's confirm the number of stored password in that file. wc-l user share word list rockyou.txt. Now look at it. What is this? That's 1,000. So million, 14 million. Yeah, that's 14,344,392 different passwords. That's huge. Okay, now let's go back to our command. Hashcards -m0, the file that we want to hash.txt. That's the file where we saved the hashed password, user share word list rockyou.txt. Now let's go over this command line once again. This is the two hashcards. The mode, we are looking at MD5. Our password is MD5. That's the hash type. Then this file is the file where we store that hashed version of our password. And this is the file that contains the list of passwords to be used by these two to crack the content of this file. Now, all what we need to do, hit the enter button and then wait. That's all. Done. 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 Okay, let's go over the results. Now look at it. Number one, status cracked. This is your hashed. This is the plain text, user 1234. Okay, you got it. Cracked is cracked. So what did we say? User 1234. That's it. And it's cracked. And how long does it take? Let's look at it. This is how long it took to crack that password. Less than a second, 0.30 millisecond taking to crack your password, user 1234. Isn't that serious? So please always use strong password. Let's now demonstrate something else. Let us assume that instead of user 1234, combination of alphabets and numbers, let's include just one alphanumeric or one special character. Let's clear this. Let's say user, instead of that S, let's include $. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, at least we've changed something. We've changed this S to $, and this is the hashed version. Now let's copy this hashed version and see if we can crack this and come up with the plain text version. Let's copy the hash, copy, and then let's go back here and say, okay, our hashed.txt file, mousepad, hashed.txt. Okay, let's delete this and paste the new one. Okay, paste. Okay, let's confirm 3908, that's the last. Okay, 3908. Okay, now let us save this and try to see if we can crack it. Okay, save. All right, now let's cross-check. Let's double-check. Okay, cats hashed. Okay, the file is there, a new one. Now let us repeat our command hashcards. Don't forget we are still using the same file. We changed the contents, and then we are still using the same rockyou.txt. Now let us see if we can crack that password. Enter. Okay. Yep. Let's look at the results. Now, status exhausted. What does that mean? It cannot crack it. Trying to crack it, then he said it was exhausted. That means the list was exhausted and then couldn't find a match. Couldn't find a match just by changing one character to special character. Saves us a whole lot of headache. So please, everyone watching this video, whenever you are selecting or coming up with your password, always ensure that you add special character, one special or two special character in it. And that's what you always see in many web application or application. Whenever they are suggesting your password, they always ensure that you choose one special character, not just letters, combination of letters and numbers, because those ones are very easy to crack. So I believe that we've learned one or two things in this video. Subscribe to our channel, AO4, for more of cybersecurity, networking, and Internet of Things technology, lessons and tips. Click on the subscribe button and then enable notifications so that you will receive a notification anytime we produce a new video. So we thank you very much for watching. Thank you so much.